You guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be walking you through how to create a foreign US bank account that you can use to receive international payment from anywhere in the world. So it does not matter where you are in the world, this method is going to work for you, because in this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to create a US bank account using Payoneer. I'll also be walking you through how to get a UK bank account and also how to get a Europe bank account. So if this is something you like to watch right here, make sure you watch the video to the end and do not skip any part of the video. So without further ado, let's drive. So the first thing you need to do right here is to head over to google.com and type in Payoneer right here on Google. So once you type in Payoneer right here on Google, it's going to take you straight to the official website, and you can see right here this is how the official website looks like. So once you're on the official website right now, all you need to do right here is to click on this open an account button. So once you click on the open an account button right here, it's going to take you right here to this page right here. I'm going to ask you to choose the right Payoneer account for you. So if you know you're a freelancer, you could choose freelancer. If you know you're an online seller, you could choose online seller. If you know you're an affiliate marketer or you're just an individual, you could just choose anyone. But for me, I'm going to advise you just choose an individual. But if you know you're an affiliate marketer or you're an online seller, you could just choose your occupation right here. But for me, I'm going to be going with the individual. So once you click on the individual right here, it's going to take you up right here to this page where you're going to ask to select an option right here. So I'm going to advise you go with this first option right here, so you'll be able to get the full access to Payoneer. So once you click on this first option right here, it's going to take you to this page where you'll be able to create an account. Just click on the register button. So once you click on the register button right here, it's going to take you to this page where you'll be able to fill out your first name, your last name, your email address. They're gonna ask you to put in your date of birth. So I'm gonna quickly fill out that right here, and I'm gonna get back to you guys. So I'm just done filling out my details right here. So I'm gonna be clicking on the next button right here. So it's gonna take us to the next page. So one thing I want you guys to keep in mind is once you are creating a Payoneer account, you need to be up to 18 years old or and above for you to be able to create a Payoneer account. So if you know you are below 18 years, I'm going to advise you use your parents' detail or your uncle or your mom's detail right here to create an account, because they're going to ask you to verify your account using their NIN, their voter's card, or their international passport. So it's very, very important you have a valid ID card right here.
So once you click on the next button right here, it's going to take you right here to this page where you'll be asked to fill out your country. They're going to ask you for your street address and also for your town. They're also going to ask you to fill out your phone number right here and your postal code. So right here, I'm going to be filling out this right here, and I'm going to be getting back to you guys. So for those of you that may be wondering, okay, how can I get my postal code? All you need to do right here is to head over to Google. Once you're on your Google browser right here, all you need to type in the name of your city. So if you're in Lagos right here, you're going to be typing in Lagos postal code. So if you are in anywhere in the world, just type in the name of your city right here, and Google is going to be bringing out the postal code for you guys. So right here, this is my postal code right here. All I just need to do right here is to just copy my postal code. You already gotten your postal code from Google. All you need to do right here is to just paste your postal code here. Then Payoneer is gonna send a verification code right here to the number you just provided. So after you receive the verification code from Payoneer right here, they're gonna take you to a next page where they're gonna ask you provide your government issued ID card. So this ID card could either be your international passport, it could be your voter's card, it could either be your NIN slip. So for me, I'm going to be submitting my international passport. So after you're done submitting this international passport or any of your ID card right here, Payoneer is going to get back to you in less than 5 business days. So you're going to wait for at least 5 days or a week right here. So they're going to send you an email into your email address. So you need to make sure you always keep on checking your email. You're going to review all your documents right here to see if it agree with your terms and conditions. So once they see that everything is intact right here, they're going to approve your account, so you'll be able to create a foreign US bank account right here using Payoneer. You're going to receive an email like this right here in your email address. So they're going to say your account is being under review. So after your account has been approved, this is how the email is going to look like. So always make sure you keep on checking your email address. Like I said, if you know you are finding the video helpful so far, consider smashing the subscribe button right here and give the video a like, because literally this video took me some days right here to be able to record. So all I just want you right here to do for me by supporting me is to just smash that subscribe button and like the video. And again, if you know you have any question right here, feel free to go to the comment section and drop your question, and I'm going to be answering all your questions. Your account has been approved right here. This is how your account is going to look like, and you can see right here, this is the dashboard of Payoneer. So you're going to see all your earnings right here. So you're also going to see your different kind of bank right here. It could either be your USD bank, which is USA bank. It could be the Euro bank, the British pounds right here. So in order for you to able to locate your bank account, so if for example maybe someone want to send money to you right here from the US, or you're trying to like send your account number right here to a client that's going to be paying you right here internationally, all you just need right here is to click on this menu
menu bar right here. So once you click on this menu bar right here, you're gonna click on this receiving account. So once you click on this receiving account right here, you'll be able to view your account details. That is your account number, your routing number, and all of that. So for me right here, I'm not gonna be showing this right here for security purpose. All you just need to do right here, you just click on view info right here. So once you click on view info, it's gonna bring out all the details for you guys. And like I said, guys, if you know you have found the video helpful so far, consider smashing that subscribe button right here and like the video. So if you know you want to transfer money from another Payoneer account to another Payoneer account, all you just need right here to click on this menu bar right here. So once you click on the menu bar right here, you could head over to the pay section right here, where you'll be able to send money right here. So you could either send money to a Payoneer recipient right here, or you could send money into an Amazon advertising invoice. So you could literally just go around the app right here and get to be familiar with the app. And also the app also gives you their Payoneer card. So if you know you also need the Payoneer card right here, you can also get a Payoneer card. And by the way, they also have a mobile app where you could download right here on the Google Play Store, on the Apple Play Store. And also keep in mind right here, in order for you to be able to access the Payoneer card, you must have received at least $2,000 right here into your account before they could grant you the Payoneer card. And also you could also link your Nigeria bank account right here to your Payoneer account. So if you have money right here in your USD bank account, then you could now transfer the money right here into your local bank account. So in order to do that right here, or you just need to go over to this bank section. So once you go over to the bank section right here, you're gonna see a place where you'll be asked to link your card. So you can see right here, I have my bank linked right here. All you just need right here to add bank account, so that you'll be able to provide your bank account right here on this app. So guys, that is how you could literally create a Payoneer account right here in Nigeria. And also guys, like I said, if you know you found the video helpful, please consider smashing that subscribe button and like the video, because literally this video literally takes me some days right here to be able to create. So all I just want right here in support in return for this right here, to just smash the subscribe button right here and like the video. And also guys, if you also feel like converting your currency right here into different kind of currency right here, you could just head over to their currency option right here by going over to the withdraw and transfer option. So you're gonna see this currency option right here. So this is where you'll be able to convert your currency into any different kind of currency. So if you know you have, or you want to change your dollar right here into a pounds right here, you could just head over to the currency option right here. You're gonna see where you'll be able to convert your currency right here into any kind of currency. You could convert it from euro to pounds, from pounds to USD. So you could, everything just right here is up to you right here. And I hope you guys found the video helpful. If you know you did like the video, subscribe right here, and also share it to your friends and your family member that may be in need of this.